Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today on 500 Flights and Counting, we're going to be pouring the foundation of the new home. After the site had been readied for the basement slab pour, I waited another several days. I was beginning to get confused on what it takes to build a home. When the workers finally showed up, they showed up to keep forming the lot. The dirt from the rear of the property was being transported to the front of the property to level out the site. I got a chance to get the drone into the air, and I combined it with some of the ground-based videos of the lot as it was being formed around the foundation. I did find it ironic that after they filled in around the foundation, that they had to dig out a section just so that they could pour the foundation for the front porch on the left side. When the day to pour the concrete finally came, I was ready. It was a great day with perfect weather, clear airspace, and no wind. I decided to try to get close-ups of the work from the ground and combine it with some aerial footage. Now that the site was level and trash-free, I was able to combine aerial and ground shots to tell a story of how a foundation is poured. I was actually kind of nervous shooting this footage because this was the first time I really got to talk to the workers. Though they were really receptive for what I was doing. Little did I know that I would see a lot more of them over the next few months. Well, it took several concrete trucks due to the size of the site. I took the drone out over the area that I had filmed the teardown to film the aerial shots. As the concrete came out of the truck, it was then raked and pushed over the site. After the site had been poured, and then the foundation for the left side of the front porch was poured. This was pretty late into the afternoon. And then after that, the workers worked late into the evening scoring the concrete. In fact, I don't think they finished up until after 10 p.m. But they had to get ready because the framing was about to get started.